will move up to third place in January. Well, meanwhile, former Senate President Vicente Soto III dropped to fourth spot in second place. He fared biggest winner in the February poll. He now enjoys a comfortable 6th to 7th position after being in the at the bottom of the national vote. Averaging 18 days after the official start of the national campaign period. Up to 7:30 WRU